welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We get a number of people that come in here who have issues regarding their thigh. And in particular, they've been diagnosed with stuff like Meralgia Paresthetica, their, Iliotibial Band Syndrome, even like a bunch of trigger points just in the Vastus Lateralis, the most lateral thigh quad muscle. A lot of trigger points in here causing all kinds of pain and discomfort, or they have a compression of the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, giving them Meralgia Paresthetica. And it's just thigh pain that won't go away. And they've been prescribed certain self-therapies at home, such as foam rolling. But sometimes, unfortunately, foam rolling in this area is way too sensitive. So this is what we usually recommend. We usually recommend getting a foam roller that is, you can see right here, soft. I'll put a link in the description for one of these, but man, these are super soft because what happens, you get on this and it is super sensitive on there. You get on, a regular foam roller that's really, really tough and you don't even want to do the therapies. And it's your symptoms persist, your condition persists, and you get worse and worse and worse. So get one of these. So you would just get one of these and then you would perform your foam rolling in the same manner. A lot of folks, they do their foam rolling typically like this for the IT band or the Vastus Lateralis muscle. Man, that Vastus Lateralis muscle, man, that gets a lot of junky stuff in through there, a lot of trigger points in through there. It's sensitive on a lot of folks. So again, we usually recommend starting distal and then work your way proximal. So start toward the knee and work your way up. And what's great about this foam roll, I can let my body kind of just sink into this. I mean, right there, that's kind of sensitive for me. But the fact that you can see this foam roll smooshes down, it doesn't produce that really sensitive, oh man, I can't even do this kind of feel with some foam rollers that are really, really hard. So you can do it in this fashion like we were just demonstrating. And work your way up toward the hip, right in through here. And then you can work up and through here, kind of like where with Meralgia Paresthetica, you get that pocket, numbing, tingling, burning and stuff, freeing up that lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. And then you can also lay face down like this. So if I have problems right in through here like this, I can lay face down on it right here. And I usually like this. So that way this one's free. I can get right in here, see that? Into that front of the thigh and work right into that. Yeah, that's pretty sensitive in through there. And you just search around for those tight areas with the much softer. You can see it, look at that. Look at that. Look how squishy that is right there. It's nice. And so if you're super sensitive in these areas, and you just shy away from your therapies, you don't have to. Just get one of these. So here you are, right in through here. And a lot of folks, it's like, if you got lateral femoral cutaneous nerve compression, why are you compressing it? Well, check this out. So this is the foam roll. Just like a rolling pin at home. You got dough and you do your rolling pin. So imagine this is the fibers of my muscle, of my fingers. And you can kind of see it as it goes over the foam roll, boom. It stretches it out. Just kind of like when you're rolling dough, over time the dough spreads out. It thins out. And that's what you're doing, is you're thinning out. In essential, you're taking those layers, the skin, the fascia, the nerves that could be entrapped in there, and you're getting those gliding surfaces to glide again using tools like this or a rolling pin. So then those tissues can glide and be moved, and no problems that you have going down your thigh that you've been having forever, go away. You can also do it like this. Here's another way to do it, where instead of like this, right? You can also, I like to put my right glute right here, if I have right thigh problems. And you can kind of see here's my sexy legs. You can kind of see my knee. My knee is just over the end of the foam roll right here. And I can kind of go right here like this. See that? And I can hunt and search right there for those tight areas, kind of rocking back and forth, oscillate back and forth through there. And right there's a good spot. Right in here, I can feel that. But again, this is a nice, soft, I can put my whole body weight on here and it is a more soothing type of therapy to break that stuff up and release that IT band, Vastus Lateralis Trigger Points, and also free up the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve in through here. This is a much more forgiving surface to work with rather than your standard foam roll. Right in there, this is great. Oscillate through there. And again, working through here 3 to 5 minutes in each spot. Move on to a different spot and do this again as tolerated. Because, obviously we don't want you to sit here in agony and work up to the more tougher foam roller. Anyway, if you have any questions with this video, drop it off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you're new here, hit subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button because that'll keep you in the loop with subsequent videos coming here in the near future. And that way you can continue to move well, live well. Also, I know you know folks who are struggling with thigh pain that kind of won't go away. Meralgia Paresthetica, IT band syndrome, trigger points in the vastus lateralis of the muscle of the quad. And they shy away from their therapy, such as foam rolling, because it hurts so much. Share this with them. Sharing is caring. That way, there are tools out there that you can use, and it's so inexpensive to do the therapy for yourself, and thereby thigh pain that's been lingering forever is gone. Also, give us a thumbs up. Give us a like. It lets us know you care. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.